The sky cracked with thunder the moment the doorbell rang. It was almost symbolic, as if the heavens themselves paused to witness what was about to unfold. Lisa Granger, a single mother of two, cautiously approached the door of her modest suburban home. She wasn't expecting anyone. Life had been quiet since her brother, Captain Adam Granger, had gone missing during a covert mission overseas 3 years ago. Officially, he was presumed dead. But something inside Lisa had always resisted the finality of that word. She never held a funeral. She kept his room exactly the same, down to the dented football trophy and worn-out combat boots. As she opened the door, her breath caught in her throat. Standing before her were two men in uniform, rain-soaked and silent. And between them, in a wheelchair, with a half-smile and tears in his eyes, was Adam. They called it a miracle. But Adam called it survival. For 3 years, he had lived through something no one would ever fully understand. His unit had been ambushed deep in enemy territory. Thought to be dead, he was captured and forced into labor under brutal conditions. He had watched friends die, clung to fading hope, and kept going only because of one photograph, a worn-out picture of Lisa and her kids. It reminded him what he was fighting to return to. Escape had not been easy. He'd lost a leg in the process. He'd nearly lost his mind. But every day, the thought of home kept him alive. And now that he was back, the real battle was only beginning. The neighborhood welcomed him with banners and cheers, but nothing could silence the war inside him. Adam was haunted by nightmares. The sound of fireworks on the 4th of July sent him crawling under tables, sweat dripping down his face. He couldn't sleep. He couldn't walk without pain. And worse, he couldn't look his nephew, 10-year-old Noah, in the eye without flinching. Noah looked just like one of the soldiers who didn't make it home. Lisa tried everything. Therapists. Support groups. Even her own late-night conversations with him on the back porch, trying to make him laugh like they used to. But some wounds were invisible. And Adam, once a protector, a fighter, a man of unshakable strength, now felt like a shell of himself. It was Noah who changed everything. One rainy afternoon, Lisa found a note on the kitchen table. Noah had taken Adam's wheelchair and pushed him to the old football field. Panicked, Lisa rushed there, heart pounding. But what she saw stopped her in her tracks. Adam was on the field, leaning on crutches, breathing heavily. Noah stood beside him, holding a football. "Uncle Adam," he said, "you told me heroes don't quit. So if you're still my hero, you'll catch this." The football flew through the air, wobbly, off-center, and Adam, against all odds, moved. With a stumble, a curse, and a final, shaky push, he caught it. Then he dropped to the ground, laughing. Laughing harder than he had in years. That was the day some